term symbol in quantum chemistry. Before going to the term symbol, you should know what are coupling schemes. Coupling schemes. The schemes used to combine the different vectors of electrons to give the vectors representing the atom as a whole is known as coupling schemes. The commonly known two schemes are Russell-Sanders coupling or LS coupling and JJ coupling. First is Russell-Sanders coupling. This is the most frequent type of coupling and hence is known as normal coupling. According to this, the individual orbital angular momenta of the electrons are coupled together to give the resultant orbital angular momentum, that is L. Capital L is equal to Ln plus L2 into Ln plus L2 minus 1 into Ln plus L2 minus 2 etc. up to Ln minus L2. Next is the individual electron spin angular momenta are coupled together to give the resultant spin angular momentum S. That is S is equal to capital S is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. And finally, L and S values are coupled to give the resultant angular momentum of the atom. That is L plus S equal to J. L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus etc. plus S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus etc. That is Ln plus L2 plus L3 is capital S. Sn plus S2 plus S3 is capital S. That is L plus S gives J. J can take values ranging from L plus S to L minus S. The LS coupling scheme is used up to atoms having atomic number 30. The LS coupling is possible when the interaction between the orbital angular momenta on one hand and the individual spin angular momenta on the other hand are very strong. JJ coupling. According to this coupling, the orbital and spin angular momenta for each electrons are coupled together to give the resultant angular momentum of the electron J. All the J values are then combined to give the resultant angular momentum of the atom J. That is Ln plus S1 is J1, L2 plus S2 is J2, L3 plus S3 is J3. Therefore, J1 plus J2 plus J3 is J. J can take values from L plus S to L minus S. For atoms of heavy element, that is atomic number greater than 30, the JJ coupling scheme is used. Next is term symbols. In atomic spectroscopy, the energy levels in an atom are called spectral terms or terms. A term is described by a term symbol. That is, the energy levels in an atom represent spectral terms. The following rules are used for determining the term symbol for the ground state of an atom. That is, the term letters S, P, D, F, G, H, etc. are used accordingly as the value of L in a particular atomic state is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. When L is equal to 0, the term is S. L is equal to 1, the term is P. L is equal to 2, the term is D. L is equal to 3, the term is F, etc. The term symbol is preceded by a superscript representing the multiplicity of the term. That is, this 2s plus 1 represent the multiplicity, and it is followed by a subscript giving the corresponding j value. That is, the term symbol is represented as 2s plus 1 L j. Electrons are allowed to occupy degenerate orbitals so as to retain parallel spins as long as possible. The maximum j value, that is L plus s, for the ground state is selected if the subshell is more than half filled, and the minimum j value L minus s if the subshell is less than half filled, and the j equal to s if the subshell is half filled. For the determination of L and S values, electrons in the filled subshells are neglected. Therefore, completed subshells contribute nothing to L or S. Electrons in the outer incomplete atomic levels of a particular configuration are only to be considered in the determination of term symbol. Determination of term symbols. How to determine the term symbol for the ground state of an atom? In the first column, there is configuration, then S value, L value, J value, multiplicity, possible term symbol, and then term symbol. First is the configuration. S1, that is 1 electron in the S subshell. Therefore, the value of S is, since there is 1 electron, the value of S is half. L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 represents ST. J value is half. Multiplicity is 2 into half plus 1. That is 2s plus 1. 2. Possible term symbol is 2s half, and the term symbol is 2s half. S2. S2 is completely filled, that is 2 electrons in the S subshell. For the determination of L and S values, the filled subshells are neglected. That is, completed subshell contribute nothing to L or S. So S is equal to 0, L is equal to 0. J value is also 0. Multiplicity is 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1. Possible term symbol is 1 as 0, and the term symbol is also 1 as 0. Next is P1 configuration. 1 electron in the P subshell. Since there is 1 electron, the value of S is half. The value of L is, that is, this is plus 1. Therefore, the value of L is 1. J values 3 by 2, half. That is, J can take values ranging from L plus S to L minus S. Multiplicity 2s plus 1. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 2. Possible term symbols are 2p 3 by 2, 2p 1 by 2. Since this P subshell is less than half filled, the term symbol is 2p 1 by 2. P2 configuration. That is, there are 2 electrons in the P sub level. Therefore, the value of S is half plus half, 1. The value of L is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Therefore, P10. J values possible are 2, 1, 0. Multiplicity 2s plus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3. Possible term symbols are 3p2, 3p1, 3p0, that is L 2s plus 1 J. The term symbol is 3p0, that is, it is less than half filled. Next P3 configuration, that is half-filled configuration. Therefore, value of S is half plus half plus half, 3 by 2. L is equal to 0. In the case of half-filled, the J value is S, that is 3 by 2. Multiplicity is 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 4. Possible term symbol is 4s 3 by 2 and the term symbol is 4s 3 by 2. P4 configuration, that is there are 4 electrons in the p sub level. The S value is half, these two only contribute, half plus half is 1. L value is also, this is 0 and this is 1. J value is 2, 1, 0. Multiplicity is 2s plus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3. Possible term symbols are 3p2, 3p1, 3p0. And the term symbol is, since it is more than, since this p sub level is more than half filled, the term symbol is 3p2. D1 configuration, it is 1 electron in the D sub level. The value of S is, since there is 1 electron, the value of S is half. L equal to this one 2. L is equal to 2 represent D term. J values possible are 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Multiplicity is 2 into half plus 1 is 2. Possible term symbols are 2D 5 by 2, 2D 3 by 2. Since it is less than half filled, the term symbol is 2D 3 by 2. Next is explanation of term symbol by using two examples. First is chlorine. In the case of chlorine, the atomic number is 17 and the electronic configuration is like this, and it contains 5 electrons in the p subshell that can be represented as, then S is half, that is these two are completely filled. Multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 2, that is 2 into half plus 1 2. L equal to this one 1. J equal to, since it is more than half filled, J is equal to L plus S, that is 1 plus half 3 by 2. Therefore the term symbol is L is equal to 1, the term is P, 2P 3 by 2. Next is titanium. In the case of titanium, the atomic number is 22 and the D electron 3D subshell contains 2 electrons that can be represented as, therefore S is plus half, that is 1. Multiplicity 2s plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 3. L equal to plus 2 plus 1, that is 3. Since it is less than half filled, J equal to L minus S, that is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Term symbol is 3f2. And then you have one assignment, that is write down the term symbol for nitrogen, sulfur, nickel and praseodymium.